Affordable Lakeside Living Convenient to Miller, Highway 66, Bush Freeway, and Interstate 30. This is home number 8, the Kevin Floorplan. Perfect for those looking to simplify their life and relax. Energy efficient, 3-bedroom 2-bath lakefront manufactured home with an R-panel metal roof. 8-foot ceilings, 1,056 square feet with a large covered front and back porch. Refrigerator, new black range, microwave, dishwasher, HVAC and Move-in Ready. Come see these breathtaking unobstructed lake views. 2 to 3 bedroom units to choose from. Different homes up to 1,216 square feet are shown in the pictures. Lakeview and Non-Lakeview lots are available. This 2-bedroom is 16 by 66. Call for a tour. The master is 10 by 15, the second bedroom is 6 by 12 and the third bedroom is 8 by 15.